It all starts here at the Four Corners. You ready to take these two bad boys 1,000 miles off-road, Marky?
I think we got our work cut out for us.
We shall see. That's why we're making a video about it. This is the Backcountry Discovery Route. 1,000 miles off-road, traversing the Continental Divide. It's a pretty amazing ride, and one that you and I have both done before, but certainly not on electric motorcycles. These bikes have a limited range, so
We're gonna run into some sticky scenarios for sure.
oh God.
I think this is the section that we, budgeted like 2 hours for, and it's taken 6.
Yeah, exactly.
Easily, maybe more.
Yeah. Already just like a little bit nervous that we're not gonna make it to Cortez. If we ride,
Gotta stay below 45 to kind of keep the battery life and the bike started.
kind of a buzzkill.
Start out at the Four Corners, but sometimes things just don't work out as planned. It's raining.
We're a little wet, very cold.
We've got 37 miles to get there, and I've got just under 35 miles of range.
Oh my God. I can't see anything. So we have to go back to the highway?
Yeah.
Holy sh**. Dude, this thing is mangled.
This sucks.
I am so scared for what is ahead. This is a little eye-opening right now.